the story around the world on the internet.
No, mine's right here.
People saying, well, whale explosion. What is this, like a terrorist bomb, like whale explosion? Taiwan
Stop.
Again!
Biological bomb.
Think about elephants.
Weapon of whale mass destruction.
That'll help.
No, it really will. I'm kidding.
U.S. State
Exactly.
Department.
Just keep thinking about elephants.
Taiwan, they're developing some kind of biological bomb.
Why?
While talk of conspiracy spreads out,
Ew!
Sir Wong concentrates on
It
gathering the
usually
whale's
works.
remains.
Or,
This
no,
will
put your
determine
tongue at the top of your mouth and
carry
look
out
out of the light.
necropsy or animal autopsy.
to close your mouth.
Preserve the skeleton for his museum.
No,
Wong's
no.
priority
Keep your tongue there.
is to retrieve as much of his whale as possible. The city's priority is
You're making
limiting
this up.
potential
I'm
health
really
risks.
not. It usually works. Okay.
As a massive cleanup begins, the press follows the whale to its final destination.
Ew!